Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and I'm out to pick some greens for dinner tonight and some shishito peppers, but I thought I'd take the camera along and you guys along and also wish you all a belated Merry Christmas. So it has been a warm Christmas for our desert here. We were about 70 degrees today, no 73 degrees today, and we're probably gonna get up to like 72 I think tomorrow. So it's been nice and warm and the garden has really been doing well. We've been getting no lower than about like 44, so I haven't had to cover the garden either. But it has been such a great, nice holiday, guys. You know, even though we can't have like everybody over and a whole bunch of family and friends and all those different things, it's been really nice just being Mr. Benson and I. So I'm gonna go pick some greens because I have dinner to cook. So the garden has been really nice, guys. Look at all of the greens. Oh, I'm starting to lose light, so it wants to lose focus. But look at all of my collards. I'm gonna go ahead and get some collards, and then I'm also going to get some kale. Alright, so I have a nice little handful of shishito peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and put it with the greens, and then I'm gonna go inside, guys, because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm losing light and it's getting really dark. So just a reminder, grow yourselves a garden because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye, guys.